Hi guys, I don't have but just a few minutes to do this because Morgan's taking a nap. A while back, she had a devotional where this little boy was in his bed getting ready to go to sleep. He was scared, and his dad told him, "Don't worry, God's with you." And the little boy said, "But I need something with skin on it." And I think a lot of times we're looking for what to turn to for comfort, and we're looking for something with skin on it. And when we make a decision of where to turn, we really have to think about what's going to help us, what's not, what's going to make another problem. And I'm so thankful that I found out a long time ago that God is more real than a lot of other things we look to. Um, so that's where this one came from. We just do our best and remember when we're looking for comfort to look up. Life is what it is. I am who I am. It works if you work it to the best I can. When my knees get weak, I hit the ground, sigh a prayer, and wait for the sound of sanity. Remembering your love for me. We've all got our struggles, we've all got our stuff. I do a day at a time. When enough is enough, I hit the brakes, slow it down, take in a breath, and wait for the sound of sanity. Remembering your love for me. I ain't drinking no more lies, only your love satisfies. When nothing makes sense to me, you give me clarity. Life is what it is. I am who I am. It works if you work it to the best I can. Take care.